So there's two ways to reset this maintain light. The first one is what you do is you turn on the power 2 times to show the display. After you push this button here into say AAA, turn off the power and hold the button down and turn on the power 2 times. And you have to wait until you see this thing blinking. Right there, it's blinking, so it means it's resetting maintain light. Okay, and the other way is just say you turn off the power. Okay, you can do this with the engine on. Start up the car. And so you over here right now, right? You can go to the right. So this right here, right there. So you can go to the right until it's setting. Push enter. Push down to go down. When you're on maintain reset, push enter. Push up, then push enter for yes. And that's it. Now you want to go back to your old spot, just push back, and push to the left or the right, doesn't matter, and just set where you want it to be. And that's it.